When you hear me attack, I know my boss me attack, boy. A Beenie Man me go suck your mother. That's why the man say it a tape. Gaza no rape. A Beenie Man rape me. Beenie Man raped me. Since you no want know. I go like a line me and tell you, you fuck up baby mother. We tell the boy say if she no want you come from prison, you can't come. Hey, don't make me talk things, you know. Come over here, look, I'm not afraid of you. But want to see you box me, you know, give you a blood clot you can lie your throat. And that I want to see you. I want to war you, I want to fight you, dog.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we're going to talk about Lisa hype again to pussy clap. Lisa say, in my previous video yesterday, she said, she has been raped, used and abused, beaten, and blah blah blah. We think I got this shit attack her, whoever she did it on. Now she come and confirm or clarify, this morning, say a Beenie Man Gr her. At this point, just take her to the hospital because this is a serious allegation. We have a lot to get into. She'll diss Shorty again, and I say Shorty F out. If this is your first time on my channel, subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a comment, leave a like, and share. Check this out.
You now get back your pussy, now get back. I lost 2 times fucking from income from prison. 2 times alone fucking from income from prison. 2 times. Just 2 times. But I feel like I'm in a bag of fucking yet. You told me I said my baby. And I'm not afford. Last time I fucking up on my birthday. I never really want to fuck him neither. Last time I fuck him up on my birthday. I get back my pussy from that. Check the deal. Your whistle alone me as a blow. And you can't get back my pussy. Tell them if you're that make you have 1 son of man. Tell them if you're 2 months now you want to fuck and me not give you, man. Tell them if you're pussy for me if you're carrying a man. And if you want to start a lyrical war, you could start it. It's different. You know about you know class. Come over here, look, I'm not afraid of you. But want to see you box me, you know, give you a blood clot you can lie your throat. And that I want to see you. I want to war you, I want to fight you, dog. For sure you say me serious. Take a keke. Me am 16 again. Me not afraid of you again. Me a big woman, no. Me not afraid of you again. Me want to see you come up on your blood clot face. You alone. Me a fucking from me a 16 and you never make me come so yet. Never. Me never come yet when you fuck me and you a fuck me from me a 16. And me a try clown out. Anybody diss you, I diss your family never rub out them blood clots. Because anytime you style me and go like me, you want to style me, you go rub out your blood clot. But me nobody try style you. You go diss you. Because me alone for this you. You go like a line me and tell you, you fuck up baby mother. But tell the boy say if she no want you come from prison, you can't come. Hey, don't make me talk things, you know. Don't make me talk the things then. Lick up Batty Dirty Angela. We don't want to start the war. We don't want to start the war. We don't want to start a spiritual war for you, boy. We don't want to start it. Suck on no mother. Think you forgot what you want to do me? Think you forgot the things you want to do me? Years me a plan for me. Years me a plan for you. And the maddest life. Calm down. Wanna make a talk to them.
Make we pause off of the Lisa hype for a little bit. Vybz Kartel becomes the first Jamaican to be honored with the Mobo Impact Awards. Dancehall King Vybz Kartel is the 2025 Mobo Impact Award honoree, making history as the first Jamaican artist to receive the prestigious honor. The Mobo Impact Award recognizes individuals who have made a significant cultural impact with past recipients including Idris Elba, Lenny Henry, Nicola Adams, and more. This year's Mobile Awards, set for February 18, will also celebrate British sports icon Dame Dennis Lewis. So yeah, because Vybz Kartel, we see him with Sidem and Sidem's sister not too long ago, as he landed in London, England. So back to Lisa Hype. You know, she's been making all sorts of allegations. She's claiming that Beenie Man raped her. Check this out.
When you hear me attack, I know my boss me attack, boy. A Beenie Man me go suck your mother. That's why the man say it a tape. Gaza no rape. A Beenie Man rape me. Beenie Man raped me. Since you no one know me. You don't know about me. You don't know who I'm a granny. You don't know my family them. You don't know what I do. You don't feel like a kekeke. You don't feel like a kekeke. You don't feel like me and him not deal. Me a asking if you don't feel like me and him not deal. Me and my boss good. Me and my boss good. Me and my boss good. Go suck out your mother. Politics, watch out who you.
Vybz Kartel asks who would he pass the baton on in a dancehall. You know, who's the next up and coming Prince of Dancehall or who's second him. He lists out Popcorn and a few others, but surprisingly he lists out ALKALINE. I big up ALKALINE, but check this out.
So I want to ask another question. You brought up Massacre, you know, so
Massacre body of fuck.
As far as dancehall right now, who would you think is like the top contenders and also like the defending champions of dancehall right now?
Well, Massacre is one. Popcorn, and I'm not just saying that because he's my protege. But I'm also saying that because he's my protege. So he learned from the best. You went to Harvard, nigga, you fucking qualified. So Gaza Nation is the Harvard of dancehall. So Popcorn is from that school. Then I like the younger kids after Popcorn, like the Jamal. And I'm gonna get into that in a minute. So you have the Jamal, the Pablo YG, the Chronicler, the Skilly Bang, the Javilani, you know what I mean, the 450. And you know, a lot of people are gonna come at me, especially Gaza fans, but he represents for the culture, the ALKALINE. Right?
ALKALINE.
Yeah, the squash. We can't leave out squash.
Can't leave out squash.
Not time. You know what I mean? So for me, the kids, I have to respect them. Because when I was coming up, I got a lot of flack, like, oh, him don't sound like dancehall. Like they're trying to say I'm not dancehall, I'm something else.
Right.
So we always have to represent for the general, because I stand on the shoulders of giants, right? I stand on Bounty Killer shoulder, Buju Banton, Beenie Man, regardless of what you want to say about me. I'm a student of fucking dancehall.
That's right.
Dancehall is forever. Right? We have a rip to the culture.
I'm gonna tell you feel what a condom feel like. The only time I feel what a condom feel like I when you did buy the condom and we try it. We never have sex with a person. I never have sex with nobody else. I think would you answer me? Me not have to think good, me sure I'm answer.
You know, you hear that? This is the voice of a pastor and it sounds like a stepdaughter. Look at her age on the screen and, you know, me can't see that because of YouTube. But this is why people stay away from church. They got in dirty, nasty behavior. I'm a ramp with God and I'm a ramp with the church. But me cannot believe that the pitney experience here so she uncomfortable and she don't want to do it no more. And it's like you disregard what she has to say and still I try do what you're not supposed to do. But listen to the rest of it.
Stop pushing and call it. I don't like that. I can't do that right now. What do you mean by me can't do that right now? Just give me some time, don't? And that's all me I do. Please, just give me some time. And number two, even if it was not in a sexual relationship, you don't think that me that's still concerned and other you would have concerned, but not like that. Yes. I'm not so obsessed every single minute. Okay, I can't be obsessed now. Uncle Wayne, is this nothing less than an obsessed behavior? But now me I tell you how me feel about the whole entire thing, and it's like me no know you still have find a way to kind of justify it.
I don't justify nothing.
But Uncle Wayne, that you always do.
Always do.
You always are just, even when me explain to you, say this make me uncomfortable.
This was a very lengthy video. I had to just chop out some of it so you can, watch the full video over Popeye YouTube channel. But this is very disturbing. We have to talk to our daughters, talk to our sister, talk to our nieces. Even the little boys are not safe anymore. We have to have deep, serious conversations with them about what's going on in the world entirely. Nobody is safe, can't be trusted. And it's sad because this is where we're supposed to go when we need help. The church, the police station, and none of them can protect us anymore. Leave your thoughts on this below in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if this is your first time. Make sure you like the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.